we're going to explain how to create a JSON file. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. It's used extensively in web applications and APIs to transmit data. Here's how you can create one. 1. Understanding JSON. Structure. JSON data is written as key-value pairs. Keys are strings enclosed in double quotes, and values can be a variety of data types: strings, numbers, booleans, true-false, null, arrays, ordered lists of values, or other JSON objects, nested key-value pairs. For example, name, John Doe, age, 30, city, New York. This shows a simple JSON object with 3 key-value pairs. Notice the curly braces and enclosing the entire object and the colons, separating keys and values. Commas separate the key-value pairs. 2. Using a text editor. The simplest way to create a JSON file is using a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, Mac, or VS Code. Avoid using word processors like Microsoft Word, as they often add formatting that can break JSON's structure. 3. Creating the file. Open your text editor and type your JSON data. Remember the correct syntax: double quotes around keys, colons between keys and values, commas separating pairs, and the appropriate brackets for objects and for arrays. For example, let's create a JSON representing a person. First name, Jane. Last name, Doe. Age, 25. Address, street, 123 Main St. City, any town. This shows nested JSON. The address is another JSON object within the main object. 4. Saving the file. Once you've typed your JSON data, save the file. Crucially, you must save it with the JSON extension. For example, data.json. Choose a suitable location on your computer. Make sure you select plain text or a similar option in the Save dialog. Don't select a rich text format or similar option. 5. Validating your JSON. Optional but recommended. After saving, it's always a good idea to validate your JSON. Many online JSON validators are available. Just search for JSON Validator on Google. These tools check for syntax errors and ensure your JSON is correctly formatted. Fixing errors early prevents problems when your JSON is used by applications. 6. Using a programming language. Advanced. More advanced methods involve programming languages like Python or JavaScript. These allow you to programmatically generate JSON data, which is particularly useful when dealing with large data sets or dynamic content. In Python, for example, you might use the JSON module to create a dictionary, and then use json.dumps to convert it to a JSON string, which you can then write to a file. Similar methods exist in most programming languages. Following these steps, you can successfully create JSON files for various applications and data exchange purposes. Remember to always double-check your syntax to ensure your JSON is valid and functions correctly.